Hello, welcome back to Inkscape tutorial, and in this part I'm going to explain about the pencil tool, calligraphy tool, and the text tool. So let's start. This is called the pencil tool, and you can use it to write just like a real pencil. Let's try it. Like this. So you can adjust the smoothness here in the edit bar. And the text that we write will become smoother if we make it bigger. The next one is calligraphy tool, and it is very similar with the pencil tool. And here you can choose the type of the pen that you want to use. For example, marker, or you can try another one, swatchy, like this. And the next one is the text tool, and you can use it to type with your keyboard. So first click on it and then type at a place where you want to write. And you can type something like hello. And you can also edit the text that you write. First select it, and then you can choose the type of the text here and the size here. So this is all for this part. See you on the next tutorial.